Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. In today's recipe I will show you how I cook my Ofe Nsala, also known as white soup. In fact, this soup tasted so delicious. It was so yummy. You will love it. Just give this recipe a try. You will enjoy it, you and your family. But before then, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor by hitting that red place that says subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell beside it. This way you get notified each time I upload a new video. So now let's get started. For the ingredients, I have these three ingredients: uziza seed, oda, and ehu, calabash nutmeg. So these three ingredients are going to give our soup a very nice taste and aroma. I also have blended crayfish, and for this I'm using chicken, but feel free to use any protein of your choice. So you cannot cook this soup without these two vegetables, uziza leaf and Okazi. These two vegetables, in fact, you cannot cook Nsala soup without two of them. I also have salt and seasoning cube. I have Oyibo and dried catfish, and also habanero pepper. So for the thickener, I'm using yam. I have peeled it and it is in the water. So to start, I will start by adding the meat in the pot. I will season with the seasoning cube. I will add salt. I will also be adding half of the blended pepper, and I will reserve half for later use. I will stir everything together, and after that I will cover the pot and steam cook this for 10 to 15 minutes before adding water. I will also be using stockfish, and it is already cooked. I will break it into small pieces, and I will take out the bone so that you know the thing and not put something. After that, I will also keep it aside. So after 15 minutes, here we have the chicken, although it's not yet done. I will now add the stockfish. It's already cooked. I will also add the dry catfish. In fact, this soup does not take time, and the outcome is so yummy. At this point, I will also be adding the yam. I will add water, and this water is what we are going to use to cook the soup. I will then cover it and start cooking. While that is cooking, I will blend the uziza, Okazi, and the ehu. I will be blending the three together. And that is done, I will reserve it for later use. So back to our pot of soup. Now I will check for the yams. They are now well cooked. They are soft. I will take them out, and I will be blending them off camera with a blender. Friends, this soup tastes so delicious. In fact, you should include this soup in your Christmas menu so that your friends, your invitees, or in-laws will thank you after enjoying this soup. Young lady and single lady looking for husband, please prepare this soup for your boyfriend After eating it, they will just pay your bride price sharp sharp without any more doubts. I will add the blended crayfish, and our mixed spices that we blended earlier on, ehu, oda, and the oziza seed. And I will also be adding the ogiribo. After that, I will give it a quick and gentle stir. I will cover and allow it to boil. At this moment, I will be adding our thickener, which is the yam. I will add a little more of water and I will cover and allow it to boil so that our thickener will dissolve. So after some minutes, you can see our thickener is well dissolved. And this is the perfect consistency that I'm going for. It should not be very thick or too watery. One thing about this soup is that it gets thicker when it cools down. So I will test for salt and adjust if necessary. Now it's time to add the Okazi. You know Okazi is very bitter, so I'll just add a little of it, and the oziza leaf. In fact, you cannot cook this soup without these two ingredients. And now the remaining pepper that I reserved earlier on, I'll add it at this point. And I will stir everything together. Our soup is almost done. In fact, right now the aroma in my kitchen is amazing. So I will cover it and allow it to boil for some minutes. And after that, for the green effect, I will be adding a little spinach. Our soup is ready. It's ready. So I have turned off the heat already. So now time to serve the food. This soup tastes so delicious. In fact, friends, you need to try this recipe. You really need to try it. After trying it, you will come back and thank me later. So if you have enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Subscription is free. YouTube doesn't charge anything for subscription. It's just free of charge, okay? So subscribe and also turn on the notification bell beside it. This way you get notified each time I upload a new video, okay? And let me know in the comment section which swallow you would love to enjoy this soup. I enjoyed mine with pounded yam and it was so amazing. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye and remain blessed.